good people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mikali. Guys, if it's your first time to watch me, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share. So guys, today I'm at the wine shop, yeah, and I will be unveiling the beauty of this place in a few. Guys, it's so beautiful, everything's just beautiful. I can't just wait to show you guys. Let's see what we can get here. This is a restaurant review because we've been having an episode for restaurant reviews, so keep it locked here, guys. So guys, this is the menu. I want to check what I'm going to be having today. I'm not sure what I really want. Yeah, in my mind I saw them on Instagram and mostly I wanted the pizza and the wine, but I'm not yet sure what I really want, so I'll just make my decision in a few. Yes, that's the menu, guys, and they're quite affordable. Just look, guys, they're not expensive. Just look. Yeah, so I'm not sure what I'll have. Wines by the glass, and by bottle. Guys, this is, I don't know. Let me just ask them their favorite, then we see what I'm gonna take. Just come. What do you recommend?
I have white, red.
Okay, I saw on Instagram the pizza and the wine, so that's what I wanted. Yeah.
Okay. Can I give you the Diavora pizza? Spicy? Or you don't want spicy?
Spicy is okay.
Okay. Then I can give you the net show.
Pardon?
Net show.
Oh my god, okay. So which one do you recommend? Which is the favorite, like? But itafanya nirudi tena huko.
So you want medium or full body?
What does that mean? Medium or full body?
Sasa ile inamaanisha ile kama si strong.
No, medium, yeah.
Sana patia fetino touch.
A bottle or a glass?
You want a glass or bottle?
Which I think a bottle is fair. Sindo? Yeah. A bottle. And pizza sasa gani?
Yeah.
Okay. Can we go through it? So this, okay. So with the glasses, how much? With the bottle?
A bottle, it's 26.95.
So this and the bottle, total be 26.95.
No. This one, the pizza is 9.50.
Yeah.
The wine is 26.95.
26.95. Okay. Let me make it from now. Okay, I think I want the pizza. The wine, I'm not sure.
Okay, even you can take a glass. You need. So we have this. I'll give you some here, which is launching from 1895.
Yeah, sure. Let me just choose. There's one that I'd seen, but I'm not quite sure.
Can you get the bread bag shirash?
Okay, give me that one.
Okay, thank you.
Just a minute. So guys, I'm not a wine person. What in wadanganya? Someone is looking at me that I'm nervous, guys. Every time I keep forgetting to remove my mask when I'm alone, because I'm definitely used to this. Where will I place it? Let me placing it in my back pocket. Yeah, guys. So I don't know if guys, today I'm a bit nervous. I don't know why, but guys, this place is so dope. It's so cool. It's a place you can come just chill, just relax. You see, like the table I'm seated on, it's a table for two. Yes, but you can sit it at like wewe peke yako definitely because of the social distancing. There's no crowding on the seats, and it's recommended for you to reserve before coming. I did not reserve, I just came, and yeah, but luckily I got a seat because I'm alone. But if it could be a crowd, definitely I couldn't get a seat. Yeah. Oh, I'm not sure if I'll finish that. Yeah.
You can carry it.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Let me just show the people. Okay. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I like it.
Okay.
Thank you so much. So how long will the pizza take?
We are not busy.
You're not busy, so in the next few
minutes.
Okay, sure, I'll be waiting. So guys, I have some Haribos over here. Don't wonder what is popping inside. Yeah, and that's my glass of wine. This is the flavor that I took, guys. Where is it? Yeah, that's Saki Kungwa. So let me just show you. Yeah, 1941, guys, and I like how it tastes. Yeah, because I lied to you when I said I'm not a wine person. Sorry guys for today's video. I'm a bit nervous, but now my courage is coming slowly by slowly, because I just realized no one cares, no one knows me, so I have to focus to giving you guys content. Yeah, so let me enjoy my wine as I wait for my pizza. So guys, I just discovered there are very many types of wines. Guy, me only knew how many, like 5. Yeah, guy, I'm shocked. Like their collection is just awesome. So if you're a wine person, guys, or if you're looking to buy for someone a gift as cheap as 1500, you can get a bottle of wine here, and you can also actually order. Yeah, guys, I need to work for a tripod, the Kamini one, because like I really hustle how I'm going to place my phone when filming. So like right now I'm really struggling, but anyway, I'm so sure you can see and you can get the point, like how it is. Yeah, I will do a small review of those, not review, like I'll just show you those wine bottles when I'm leaving, so as you can be able to see, because when you enter, that's what you come across. You normally first pass through there and see. And actually you can actually have your wine from inside, but I preferred having my wine from outside. Yeah, I'll show you how inside it looks like, just like a small snip of, yeah, everything. So guys, I'm almost, like, I can't finish this whole pizza because it was too large. But guys, I recommend you guys to come back here, not come back here. You can come here anytime you feel like, guys. It's a nice dope place. And as I said, I think I lied, I'm a wine person, because I've just took, like, is it water? Yeah, and I'm so high, so tipsy. Like, even I have to end this vlog because I kind of feel, you know, the guys who drink, you understand what I feel. Yeah, second show me a picture online. Yeah, so I have to do everything off camera, like finish my meal, then go back home. But the pizza, oh my god, I even forgot the flavor I ordered, but I'll get the details for you and just put them on the description box. Yeah, because this is legit and it's awesome. Yeah. Sorry, as I was saying, don't mind me being nervous. It's normal, it happens once in a while, because it's my first time. Like, I don't know, this place just looks so, I don't know, nilingesha tu baridi, so I wasn't able to vlog comfortably. I don't know why, but guys, I hope just like the little that I've shown you, you've like been able to get the concept of the place. It's a wine shop place. Yeah, they're on Instagram. I will link them down, guys, and trust me, it's a nice place to come to have your wine, your pizza. They don't only sell wine, they have coffee, fries. It's a complete menu, but because of the name wine shop, I wanted just to taste their wine. Yeah, and I'll be showing you the collection of wine in a few. Thank you. So guys, since I wasn't able to finish the wine, you can just see the packaging. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. Yeah, the wine shop. So I'll go finish it at home. Yeah, and this is a pizza. Yes, so I'm waiting for a big carrier bag so I can place them inside. Yeah, then in a few I'll just show you the place as I exit. I'm now going to catch my Uber. Guys, do I look drunk? Because I feel tipsy personally. But yeah, so that is it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. I still insist, I'm sorry guys for being nervous. It happens. Being a vlogger, it's not easy. Actually, mbele ya kila mtu, people are looking at you, you're talking to yourself. They're like, girl, why are you talking to yourself? Like, seriously. So guys, this is what I went through today to give you guys content, but hope you do understand. And guys, if it's your first time to watch me, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Till next time, peace out.